Welcome back to Livin For Fishing. Can you tell where we're at? We're in Key West. And what did we do while we're in Key West? Well, we toured the town. We met some friends.
Livin For Fishing.
We celebrated St. Patrick's Day.
No, not even close.
Go. where are we eating at right now? We're at Pinchers. Check this out. We ate way too much food, but man, the food was absolutely amazing. Food, drinks, people working here, the locals, visitors, incredible. And oh yeah, what did we do?
We did go fishing.
We went fishing.
Top of the morning. You going? Where you going? Gotta go left. It is 6 a.m. Key West is asleep. We're sort of awake. Except for that rooster.
Thank you.
It's so humid.
Dan just got stung by a bee in his ear.
You see anything?
What's the matter, Dan?
Fuck, we don't want to talk about it.
What's going on, man? Why are you hiding? Why do you have ice on your ear?
Oh, because a bee decided to fly in my freaking ear as we're driving down the road.
Well, why do you do that?
I don't know. Oh god, that hurts.
I laugh, but I really do feel bad for him. I just hope it doesn't happen to me. Then he'll be laughing. He called me a big baby. That's what he'd be doing. All right, let's see if I can
Still
get
calling you big baby.
Well, we made it to Marathon, Florida, just north of Key West. And hooking up with Ray and Randy with Crazy Banana Charters.
Is that a mallard? You don't There's a shad.
Well, after a couple hours of just catching some small fish, Randy decided to rig up something a little different. This little balloon is attached to some live bait, and wait and see what happens.
Yeah, that's awesome.
let her do that, Dan. 3 sharks. You can't land one. Not one. 3 opportunities to land a shark. Yeah. I think we're wrapping things up. This has been a hell of a lot of fun. Crazy Banana Charters. Put their information on the. I can't hear a word I'm saying, it's so windy. Well, after our guides filleted out our catch, we gave a few scraps to the pelicans, and then we went to a local restaurant called the Lazy Days South, and they'll cook your fish up any way you want. We had it blackened and fried. Delicious. Can't beat fresh fish. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Sunsets, never forget. Friends we've made, never forget. The sights, the sounds, the people. Had a great time. We even left our mark there at the sunset.
Now get a picture of you.
Go check it out. If you go by, send us a picture. Love that. And yes, we even tried some key lime pie. One last breakfast before we head out. Key West, we will be back. And on a final note, we'll leave you with a little dance parody. We'll be back, Key West, hopefully sooner rather than later.